Good afternoon, everyone. Today we've had this delivery in the morning, and it is a steel shelf that we bought from Lazada. So I just thought, hey, why not? Let me film it while I assemble it. So this is it right now. Boom, right there. Here we go, guys. Let's open this up. Let's see how it looks. Let's see if there's any instructions. Oh, it's heavy. There we go. Metal shelf. Nice and sturdy. Okay. Right, first things first, guys. Always count your items. There's 2, 3. Guys, there's no instructions.
Oh no!
Guys, there's no instructions. You know what? If you remember last time when I did the shelf upstairs, there was instructions. We couldn't read it because it was written in Chinese, but you know, at least there was pictures and I could follow the pictures. Oh, great! I don't know what to do now. I was actually expecting to see at least, even if there's a piece of paper with at least some pictures on it, but we don't have any at all. Okay, guys, I'll do my best to put this together, and hopefully this can help you out if you decide to buy the same shelf. And I'm hoping that you guys are gonna get some instructions in it, but just in case it doesn't happen, then at least you know, I'm hoping that this video will be able to help you guys out. Right, let's count it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. It's all taped up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these smaller brackets. Okay, we'll figure this one out. All right, we'll cut it here for a bit. I've got to work it all out, and I'll be back. I'll be back in a bit. Bye bye.
Yeah, but the screws are missing from here. That's what I mean, we don't have a screw. No, like I said, this is for the top and the bottom with one spare. This is for the middle, so we connect this, and this. This is what connects the two. Yeah, it goes like that, and then this goes like this. Yeah, that's the connector. I know what that's for.
Alright guys, I have an assistant. Maya has decided to help her dad because you know, she is the Tinkerbell of the family. So I love doing DIY stuff. Yeah, let's get on with it, because I've had a good look at the pieces. So you take your first bracket. This will be the edges, and then you put this on so that it's not going to scratch the floor. All right, like so, like that. So we'll do that. Okay, these are the only things that's come. Remember, just like that. Okay, so Maya, you could do one. You'll do the top bit, so do that one on the other side. Yeah, you get it? I'm doing the bottom. Okay, alright guys, so after putting it on, putting on the bottom bit and the top bit, we're now going to join the two together with this connector. Alright, so let's put it on. Let's just put it on like so. Probably this is what the hammer's for. Okay, and the top bit. The top bit here, just remember that this has to be facing downwards. You see here? The big hole is here, and then you've got the and it gets smaller here. So this will be the top bit, and now we've got this bit here where we've got the bottom bit and the connector right here. So we'll just join this up together. Like so. No, it feels like something else is missing. Anyway, let's. All right, we're not going to connect it right now because it won't click into place. Okay. Anyway, we've got these pieces ready.
A few moments later.
No, this is for here, for the top bit.
Yeah, and then the beams, the straight one seems to be under.
This is for here, because there's two. Alright, see this one guys? Just noticed that there are two slots on this one bar. So this will be for here.
This one goes
for
under
this
that.
top bit.
Under the shelf, that one.
Yeah, so this will go here because then it can connect both this one and that one. It will connect the one that goes on top. Yeah, so that's that will be what's connecting it. So I'm gonna dismantle this again, okay guys, and we're going to do it. We're going to do one side first, okay? We're getting there, guys. Alright, we've dismantled it again, guys. We're gonna go with one here and one here, like so. Let's make some space, 1 minute. Okay guys, so we've made some space. We're gonna connect this right here. And we're gonna get the top bit. One. Okay, connect that one here. One. And then we're gonna connect the other one to here. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to take this piece and hopefully we're right, and then we're going to connect the two together. Okay, we're going to take one of these and then we're going to put it at the bottom to create the bottom shelf and also stabilize this.
Yeah.
Top bit would be a shelf as well. Right. There's one. Right, that's one done. One side done. And we're going to create the next one. together.
Don't you need to add 2 more?
Hmm?
2 more.
Okay. Mom, where do you want those shelves?
We have to measure how tall is the microwave
Okay.
or
measure it.
and the air fryer is the tallest.
Anyway, so we've done one side. We're gonna do the other side now, and then we'll connect it all up together. So that's one side. Yip-a-doo-doo-da. Right, let's create the second one. You getting it now, Maya? Right. Bottom one. Bottom one.
Yeah.
And the 2 top ones. Okay. Together. And then we're gonna put the right next set of 5, which is these ones. We shall open these up. Yeah, I can see it now, guys. It's not that bad. Top Maya. You can do that. Maya will do the top one. Do the middle one here. Connect it all up. You need. Ah, you put in the wrong one.
No, it slipped in when I knocked it. Now that-
Yep, I saw it. I saw it. She was.
Should be it. Alright. What to do? Last but not least. There are 5 of these long ones. What we're going to do, we're just going to use it as a support, just to support the back bit. Right here, guys, we're going to do 1 here, 1, 2, 3, and then there will be 2 left. And I think we're going to do 4, 5. So it's going to be like a little 4, 5. It's just going to be somewhere like that.
Maybe.
Along
Yeah.
those
What about
lines.
the other side?
No, because it's going to be the front. Or what we can do is use the spare one. What we can do is use the spare one for one of the shelves to the front, so that it can like be a barrier. Could do. Maybe where the microwave is, maybe? What do you think?
No, but then we can't open it.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah, we can't do for the microwave bit. I'd say just do that as a support. Yeah, we'll do that. So pick the middle from that. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just do it on the 5th one. Right, so that's going to be our back. It's nice and solid.
Yeah, try hammering this one. Okay.
Right, I think now we've got to connect these side ones.
Yeah.
Hopefully it will be easy. Why you do one side, I'll do the other side.
Okay.
Let's go.
Which one do you want to do?
Pick one side and I'll do the other one.
Alright, let's just...
There. There we go. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking so far. This is going to be our back bit because we put the extra beams across for support. So we're going to use this as the back bit. So we're just now putting up the sides right here. Once we've done that, we're going to attach the other section right there. Okay, we've got the sides in, and what we're going to do, which is going to be easier, is that we're going to actually stand it up, because it's going to be a lot more difficult if we try to put this on top. So we're going to stand this up, and then I'm going to try and slot it in. So you're going to need 2 people for this. If you are by yourself, lean up, okay, lean one side up, this side up against the wall, and then stand this up, and then just try and slot it in one by one. So, but if there's 2 people, then great. Okay, so let's lift this up from here. All right, stand it up. All right, hold it. 2 hands, one on each side. Okay. You got it? You got it?
Yeah.
Good. Don't move. Right. I'm going to lift this on up now, and then I'm going to slot it in. Hopefully this will work. Don't move. I will do the work. Alright. Starts off with one side, guys. Right. And then just get it all in.
Alexa, stop.
Okay. Again, on the other side. So that's the best way to do it, guys. Just okay. Now let's hammer it in. Secure it in. Looking good, guys. There's the shelf. Right, we're gonna add these extra pieces on the side for extra support. Yeah, that's what we're doing next. Let's go, Maya. Let's do it.
It looks sturdy as well.
It's very sturdy, guys. It's nice and sturdy. So put these once these are on.
Because remember when you put it in, it's hard to put it in when it's not.
Well,
together.
see what happens. let's do it one below. Let's do it one below, or actually, let's make it two below. Two below. Two below it. Just in case you're wondering what me and Maya are saying, is that when it was on the floor earlier on, we tried to do it the same level, but it was so hard to do. If your shelf comes in and it's easy to do, then do it. But we're going to do it. We've decided we're going to do it 2 slots down. 2 slots down from the back bar. Yeah. I think it's just easier, so then you're not struggling. All right, guys, just do that. Okay, let's put on the shelves. Top shelf. Boom. Boom, there you go. Nice. Second shelf. Whoa. Okay. Boom. This looks really good. Very, very solid. Very nice. You know what? This is a good, nice, solid shelf. Yeah. So yeah, we bought this. I think we got it for about 1,300, something along those lines. 1,003 or 1,004. But now, when we went to go and check, because we went back to Lazada thinking that there might be some instructions on there, but there wasn't any instructions there. So, and the price now is at 1,999. So it has gone up quite a lot. But anyway, we bought this, and I can say that this is nice and solid. Really is. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope this video has helped you guys out. There was no instructions inside the box, as you know, but we managed to put it together, myself and Maya. Thank you, Maya, for your assistance. But yeah, we've done it, and I must say I'm actually quite happy with this shelf, and I'm sure Mummy will be happy with this shelf too. Thanks for joining us, guys. See you later. Bye.